Do you need a dumpster rental in Seguin, Texas, to keep your project on track? Look no further than Be Done Rentals. With a wide range of dumpster sizes and flexible rental options, we've got you covered. With a dedicated team and a commitment to excellence, we offer top-notch dumpster rental services to meet your needs. At Be Done Rentals, we understand that every project is unique. We pride ourselves on offering personalized service tailored to your needs and going the extra mile to ensure customer satisfaction. Our fleet of trucks and experienced drivers guarantee timely delivery and pickup of dumpsters, allowing you to focus on what matters most, your project. Whether you're renovating a home, building a commercial structure, or tackling a landscaping project, we support you at every step. At Be Done Rentals, we measure our success by our customers' success. Your satisfaction is our top priority. Ready to streamline your project with the best dumpster rental service in Seguin, Texas? To learn more about our dumpster rental services in Seguin, Texas, contact us at 210-834-1716 or visit our website at www.bdumpsters.com. Dumpster Rental Seguin TX. Be Done Rentals, your partner in waste management, helping you achieve your project goals with ease and efficiency.